Around 10 a.m., July 27th, 2012, Juneau, Alaska. This is downtown on 3rd Street, just above Gold. And a bear that was eating trash managed to get itself stuck in a home's mudroom. There were people inside, but everything turned out just fine, as you can see.
Is he gonna go right back in?